Welcome to this Windows 10 and Computer channel, and this is a quick video to talk about Flash Player, Adobe Flash Player. That is software that we have installed and that was used on the web so many times. It was part of a lot of websites that had designs, and some of them were using this for animations of all sorts. And it's been around for quite a while, but also it was part of two other problems. One is security. It often was targeted to actually bring malware, either because of the security flaws that it had, or often was used as a way to try to lure you into downloading something. And well, we learned that Microsoft is finally removing it totally by the end of 2020. So we already knew that the Flash Player would be actually removed. Adobe had announced that it would stop the production of the software Adobe Flash next year. And of course, a lot of browsers have already started mitigating this. They've already started changing this so that the Flash Player isn't automatically running on browsers. Even the latest versions of Edge Chromium, for example, all have the switch to off, not even offering Adobe Flash unless you actually go into the settings and change that. Microsoft says that in December of 2020, all browsers that it will actually have won't have Flash Player at all anymore. And also that means you won't be able to get Flash Player. Now, it's interesting because I was reading this news item and I went to a few websites that I know. One of them that I had not gone for such a long time, which is y8.com, which is kind of an aggregation of games that you can play in your browser. And I was looking at the amazing amount of games that are in there and thinking, well, nobody's going to reprogram these things. So for some people, this could be a problem eventually. But at the same time, I think a lot of us are very happy to see this go. Over the years, also, Flash Player was so many times the cause of bugs in the PC and blue screens and all sorts of problems with the browser. So for that reason also, I think it's a good thing that Adobe Flash Player is actually removed. So it's official, no browsers by Microsoft will have Flash Player starting December 2020. And I would say that probably every other browser will follow this because anyways, there won't be any more updates to Flash Player after that period of next year, as Adobe will also stop making updating and creating security updates for Flash Player. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.